Edo 2020. Betsy Obaseki, PDP Women Campaign Team, don't visit Oza Ward. Wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki don't assure Edo women say more women go participate for Edo governance when Governor Godwin Obaseki return for second term. She talked this one when she lead her campaign team go visit Oza Ward wey dey Oriomo local government area. This one at the village of Festus Osagbovo, where be the Director General of Edo Liaison Office.
Obaseki is in every household here. You can go through each house here. They brought their posters. They wanted to put it in each of the house. They refused. So if you go through, you will see that you will see a poster of Alhaji Izayamun in any of these houses here. So what you will see is Godwin Obaseki posters in each of the house.
Power to the people! Power to the women!
Mrs. Obaseki still waka go visit the audience of Oza to go seek in prayers and royal blessings.
So we all come here, big delegation, to come greet Una, thank Una for giving us better song where they make us proud. Hallelujah!
So he said you should take the message back to the governor and tell the governor that he has blessed him, that the election he has already won.
Edo First Lady and her campaign team come carry waka go field where plenty women don't already gather to receive them. She assured the women of more deve if them vote and return Obaseki to office.
What would they come do for this election? Now all those young people wait to stop our better governor and deputy. We go break their leg finish, take our PVC, take one them like what Mama talked the other day, say we don't want yeye for our state again. We want better, correct people. The ones where they do good work, we won't make them continue so that they don't must move forward.
PDP leaders for the world come here and say they don't already talk say now Obaseki them go vote for.
On election day, we know on ourselves. Who wanna see when we be from this world, we wanna escort and go outside. We wanna ensure say the only people who come from this world, 9 votes. On that day, make una go una pulling booth. As una dey go, make una carry una PVC. And make una carry una face mask.
They don't come out with their eyes now, they do like this, chon. Then they look for voters card where they won't buy. Make una tell them say, una don't shine in the eyes. Our mumu don. Una go say una voters card.
The work where God don't do from heaven. When instead make sure say it complete. Now bring Obaseki make it be governor 2016 as a winner. And God said don't talk say the work where you don't do, he not go leave halfway. Now they support person halfway. Obaseki must win this election.
This one and the Ogbonge informator will carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Betsy Obaseki and PDP Women Campaign Team don't visit Oza Ward, make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na in carry this Ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edogoro Edoleyi from Oriomo, Edo State.